Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can delete a word or sentences with one shortcut key. In this video you will also learn how you can replace a word with other word. So before starting the video, kindly like the video and subscribe my channel. Let's go toward screen. First I am typing some names. Press Ctrl plus H. After pressing Ctrl plus H, this window will be open. Here enter the word you want to delete. I want to delete Mr. Word from all the names. Leave this portion clear. Note that this option is for deleting from one word, as this is showing. And this option is for deleting from all words. When I click on Replace All, it will remove Mr. from all words. Now you see that I have removed Mr. from all names with just one shortcut key. Now if you want to replace Mr. with other word, then again press Ctrl plus H. Here enter the word you want to replace. Here enter the word you want to add. Click Replace All. In this video you have learned that how to remove a word or group of words with click, and the second one is how to replace a word by another word. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.